Hey guys, it's me, and again I'm recording my webcam just because my camera is dead right now. But I just wanted to do this video because I dyed my hair yesterday. It didn't go as well as I thought it was. It actually showed up like this, like a gingery color. Um, it was just really annoying today at school because everyone just kept saying stuff about my hair, and it was just like really annoying. And just if you would have been there, you would have yelled at that person like I told her to shut up, and she thought I said shut the f up, but she she did. She's like I don't even think she knows that. Like really, she doesn't act like a man. But I knew she was gonna be one of the people to say something bad about my hair. She just wasn't really used to it. But it just looks like this. I know you can't really see it that well, but the best I can do. So my sister Amy did it, and I did a video saying I'm dyeing my hair, so that explains why I went to her house and stuff. So while I was at her house, she gave me two new things. So the first thing was she got a new hair straightener, so she gave me her old one, which I'm very excited about, because it's a Chi hair straightener. These are she paid $100 for this one, and I'm very excited. It's like really thin, and here it says Chi right there. Oh, other side. Sorry. Can you guys see that? As you can see it right there. It says Chi. So I'm very excited about this hair straightener, and it's just like really smooth up right here. So I'm very excited to try this out and see how it is. So she gave me that. And she also gave me old MP3 player, just like this really small one, just so I can use for like for school and stuff. And then comes the wristband, which is really good. And then but about the wristband thing, she also gave me her sorry, not meal, treadmill, which I'm very excited about because I'm gonna do like an exercise routine thing. So I'm very excited about that. So it just comes handy. So yeah. So this is basically what I wanted to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching and subscribing. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!